Hey, sorry. Hey, welcome to Mrs. K's way of using import range formulas to collect data from multiple Google Sheets into one master Google Sheet. So this is just my introduction title, but let's talk about how I have 3 homework assignments that I have on 3 different Google Sheets, and I want to collect all of this data from 3 sheets, and I want to put it into just one Google Sheet. So if I go to my Drive and I create a new Google Sheet, and let's name this one my Chapter 2 Master Sheet. So now I can get all the information from these 3 homeworks and put it all into one. So the first thing is I want to have each sheet have its own separate sheet at the bottom. So I'm going to name these the similar as what I see up here. So for my one sheet, I'll have this as 2.1 homework, the second sheet 2.2, and the third sheet actually was 2.0. I can rearrange these tabs as much as I want by moving, clicking and dragging. So since I want to have my 2.0 greatest common factor, when I click on this sheet, the one piece of information I need is right up here, which is called the key. So I want this information. I know it's the key because if I find area between the sheets and before the word edit. So if I double click on it, it automatically collects it, and I'm going to control copy, edit copy to get that key because I'm going to need it. Now if we go back to our master sheet, I'm going to click in the first top left box. I'm going to press the equal sign because that right there knows I'm going to be using a formula. And I'm going to type in the word import, and at the bottom here is import range. It even says it imports data from another spreadsheet. So when I click on that, it tells me I need the spreadsheet key. And down here is all information of how I can do this. Now the key is what we already copied and pasted, but you're going to see we want to have them in quotes. So I'm going to do import range, quote, control paste, end quote, and then I get to pick the range of everything I want. If it's from a certain sheet, so let's say right here, if I go back to my sheet, if I had more than just the form responses number 1, if I had a second sheet, I could tell it just to get the information from that one sheet, or I can grab the information from just the default sheet. For me right here, I only have one. So I want to have all of the range. So maybe from column A to column Z. And I want all of that to be included from my other spreadsheet. So when I press enter, it will send me reference first. Let's see. Oh, I forgot to put this in quotes, that's why. So I want to do quote A to Z to know that that's within my other spreadsheet. So when I press enter, it will have loading, and this is reference now because I need to connect the sheets. When you allow access, all of the magic will start to work. So now I am in my master sheet, but I have all of the data that is in my one sheet over here, my 2.0, and it's all here. Now I hit my student IDs because I don't want those to be seen, but for this, I now have all of them. Now I can go back and do this for my other 2 sheets. So go back, double click my key, copy, master sheet, equals, import range, quotes, comma, quote, AZ, parentheses, loading, allow access, and again, I'm done. Now, if I only wanted the first 3 things, I only had to do A, B, and C. I can change up here from A to Z, from A to C, and it will only give me those first 3. So that's kind of nice if you don't want to be able to show, like if I didn't want to be able to show B, I can even actually go from C to Z, and I wouldn't even have to worry about seeing A, B. It would just give me my information in those ones. I hope that helped. Good luck with your assignment, and everybody will be able to see this, and hopefully it helps. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.